My cookbook editor, Susan, sent me a message letting me know that there is a package coming in the mail, but she wouldn't tell me what it was. All she said was, have the cameras rolling when I open it. So I don't know what this is. I've gotten my hopes up already. Let's find out what's in the box, okay? All right, let's do this, because I can't wait any longer. Here we go. I'm like shaking, because I hope my son weighed the box and he's all, this weighs close to a certain cookbook that I have. Maybe it's it, so we'll see. We are all very suspicious. Ooh, oh, it's double wrapped. Look at that. Very cute. Seriously, a little shaky. Dear Natasha, congratulations, you did it. Here's the first copy of your beautiful book. Hot off the press. What an honor it's been to accompany you on this journey. Love, Susan. Oh my gosh. Hold it together, hold it together. This is wild. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is surreal. You know what? I've never shown you guys the back of the book or the side of the book. So this is also very new and exciting for all of us. Oh, I'm crying a little bit. Okay, here we go. Here's the front and the side. So beautiful, so beautiful. And the back. Every bit of this cookbook was hard. Every little bit of it was like building a house. I mean, all the little decisions that went into it, like which recipes to put on the back. I'm gonna be staring at this for hours today. It's like, scared to open it. I have to let my kids see this too because their pictures are in this book. Oh my gosh, just can't wait to dig into this. This is such a special day. I'm gonna pull it together just enough to also tell you some good news. The launch date of the book has been pushed up. So it's gonna come out about 2 weeks sooner on October 3rd, 2023. You can definitely pre-order now. It's gonna come even sooner. Oh, it's been a good day, wow. Oh, okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this because what has been on this little rack in the background is a deep fake. It's just like my cover pasted onto a different book. So we're gonna put the real deal on the rack. Oh my gosh. There it is. If you guys haven't already, I would so appreciate it if you guys pre-ordered the book. It really helps with how the book does. We're hoping to make it to all the bestseller lists, and your pre-order really matters. And to all of you who have already pre-ordered, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot wait for you to get this book in your hands, to flip through it and fall in love with all the recipes, because this was probably the hardest thing, the hardest project I have ever done in my life, but worth every moment of it. Thanks for sharing my joy. Now I'm gonna share this with my kids. I'd like to take a minute, feels like the Oscars, to thank God for this, because without him, I couldn't have done this. And the first people that I want to see this book are my kiddos. Come on, come on, come on, come on, because they sacrificed a lot while I was making this. They did a lot of cleaning and help with cooking and time away from mom. Oh, you guys, okay, no, you pull it out of the box. You pull it out of the box. Gently, 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 children.
Gosh, it's a cookbook.
Okay, show your brother, show your brother.
Hey, look, it's here.
Okay, look it. Right here. Who's that?
It's us.
Who's that? Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
How does that make you feel? You guys are in a cookbook.
Chicken fingers.
Oh man, okay. You guys are excited, huh? This will be fun. This will keep us busy for hours.
I want to find my recipe.
Special recipes
I
in
want
this
to find
book.
my recipe.
Your recipe?
Yeah, mine. My cake.
And I can't wait to show this to my parents. I'll definitely show that later. My parents are in this book. Oh, it's just so awesome. Pre-order if you already haven't. Really, this is all for you. Aww, it's a recipe. This is so beautiful. All right, I can't wait to share more of this with you guys later. We'll chat soon.
Don't forget to pre-order.
Pre-order. Links in the description. Don't show them everything.
This is the best one.